Hey everyone, I'm Ashif with Softorino, and this is how you create custom ringtones for your iPhone. There are multiple methods you can use, and one of the most common ones is using GarageBand. And we have a detailed video on how to use GarageBand to create ringtones that you can check out right here. But if this GarageBand method is too complicated for you, or you don't have enough space to download the app because it can be a huge app, here are other methods you can use from your Windows PC or your Mac to send custom ringtones. The first method I'll show you is using a Mac, and if you don't have a Mac, you'll want to check out method 2 for Windows PCs, and then I'll show you method 3, which uses either Mac or Windows and an app called iRing. So let's check out method 1. If you want to use a Mac to send over a ringtone to your iPhone, you're going to need the song downloaded. Here I have a song and it's in the M4A file format. M4A is just like MP3 but for Apple devices. All you need to do is change the ending of this file's name from M4A to M4R. Now it's a ringtone file. And because you're on a Mac, sending things to your iPhone is super simple using AirDrop. Just right-click this M4R file, press share, and click on your iPhone. And over on your iPhone, it'll show up inside the Settings app, in Sound and Haptics, inside of Ringtones, and here's the song. Just click it to select it as your ringtone. So that was method 1 using a Mac, but if you have a Windows PC and not a Mac, check out method 2. So over on my Windows PC, I have an MP3 song file. We'll need to transform this into an M4R file, and we can use any file conversion website to do that. Just go to Google and search for MP3 to M4R. I like to use this website here, and all you have to do is upload the file, press convert, and download it to your computer. Now that we have the M4R file, we have to send it over to the iPhone. And unfortunately, we do not have AirDrop from Windows to iPhone. So to send this ringtone over, you can download the free trial for Walter Pro from Softorino. You'll be able to send a handful of files with the trial before it says you gotta pay. And that's enough for us to send over this file for free. So download the free trial using the link in the description below. There's no card details needed. Then just activate the trial using the link they send you via email. And all you have to do now is connect your iPhone to your computer, launch Walter Pro, and drag this M4R file into this app. And just like before, you'll find this new ringtone in your iPhone settings, Sound and Haptics, and in the ringtone section. But what if you don't have the song you want as your ringtone? Well, that's where method 3 comes in. We're going to use this app called iRing, and it allows you to search for any song that's on the internet, and using this app we can customize the song in any way we want, and then it'll send the song over to our iPhone with just one click. And if you want to follow along with these steps, iRing has a free trial you can download that allows you to send over a handful of ringtones for free. So use the link in the description below to download your free trial for iRing. Just like before, there's no card needed. And let's check this out. So after you download the iRing trial, go ahead and launch it. This app is available on both Mac and Windows PCs, and it's the same instructions on both. After launching the app, connect your iPhone to your Mac or Windows PC, and as you can see, you can search for any song you want. As long as the song is on the internet, it will show up here. So go ahead and search for any song you want, select it, and give it a second for iRing to get the song ready for editing. Now you can edit the song. First, trim its length, and choose which part of the song you like. Press trim to continue. Then you can edit the fade in and fade out. You can even add awesome sound effects or even your own voice if you can sing. I know I can't. Then press export and you can send it right into your iPhone. And over on your iPhone, the song will be in your settings, Sound and Haptics, and in ringtones like the other methods. So that's how you create custom ringtones for your iPhone, and I highly recommend you check out the free trials because if you're just trying to send over 1 or 2 ringtones, these free trials will get you by without having to pay. But if you're going to be checking out these awesome trials, I really want to point out how awesome Walter Pro is. We used this app earlier from our Windows PC to our iPhone to send the ringtone file, but that's not all it does. I love using Walter Pro to send over music from my computer to my iPhone so I can use Apple Music without having to pay for an Apple Music subscription. And sometimes I'll even send over entire movies and TV shows to my iPad, and it'll actually show up in the Apple TV app, so I'm not stuck like looking through the Files app or using VLC or another third-party app. Walter Pro is seriously awesome. And here's a pro tip. Use this app here alongside Walter Pro, and you'll just be amazed what you can do for your Apple devices. So definitely check out the free trials to see if these apps are going to be of use to you. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave us a like and subscribe because we post tons of awesome Apple tips and tricks for your iPhone. Thanks for watching.
Softorino. Tiny apps that make a gigantic difference.